Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar channel. Well students, you've been asking me about the 27th and the 29th May exam after my previous video. Yes, I did mention you that there are no exams going to be held pen paper based for 27th or 29th or 22nd or 20th May. Well, as per the update by the British Council, like we said, that computer-based exams in all the location, that is New Delhi, Gurgaon, Amritsar, Mumbai, Pune, everywhere is cancelled till 23rd of May. And on Chandigarh, only the weekend exams are cancelled. So in Chandigarh, if you have your computer-based exam on Saturday or Sunday, then it is not going to be held. But if you have your computer delivered exam on any other day, then yes, in Chandigarh, you can give your exam from Monday to Friday. And also for Hyderabad, all the centers, all the exams till 23rd May are cancelled. And in the Ahmedabad cities, exams are happening. But if we talk about the pen and paper based IELTS exam, last time I showed you on a screen that in India, whole India, there is no exam for 20th May. But now they have updated that in whole India, no exam is going to be happen on even 27th May 2021. So you will not have your examination on 27th May as well. You will get a cancellation email on your email ID and your mobile number by the British Council. So if they are saying in India, so guys, that means pen paper based exam is not going to be happen on 27th May 2021 anywhere in India. Doesn't matter you are in Hyderabad, Noida, Chandigarh, Punjab, doesn't matter where you are. Like some students are saying that exams are happening in Lucknow. Guys, Lucknow is in India. If British Council is saying that no pen paper based exam is going to happen on 27th May, that means not anywhere in India. So guys, just you don't have any exams in May month for the pen paper based exams. Okay, and also for the IELTS UKVI, Delhi, Chennai and Mumbai, your 25th May exam is also cancelled. So if you have your UKVI computer based exam on 25th May, then it is also cancelled in Delhi, Chennai and Mumbai. So guys, this is the update. Like I told you, no exams are going to be happen in the month of May. Yes, only exams happening in Chandigarh from Monday to Friday are computer delivered exams, not pen and paper based. Okay guys, so this is the latest update that 27th May exam pen paper based everywhere in India is cancelled. So guys, if it's cancelled in India by British Council, then yes, it is also cancelled by the IDP as well. Okay, they don't mention these things on their websites, so I'm just telling you, showing you the screenshot of British Council, but it is cancelled by IDP and British Council both. And if you have not received any email yet, then you will get an email and an SMS on your registered IDs and mobile numbers. So please prepare for the June month. You probably will have your examinations in the June month. And also another question, student said that for the June month they are trying to fill the date for the 5th June. Guys, I mentioned this in my June month video where I've predicted for the whole June month that when you're going to have your exams. Guys, for 5th June there are no dates available. They are already full. That's why you are not able to see it. So book your exam after the 12th of June. Then hopefully exams will happen. So this is the update, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. So, and also hit the bell icon so that you do get a notification when we publish any updates and any other videos. Keep preparing for your exams. Best of luck. Take care of yourself. Thank you, students. Thank you.